What's good, Moguls fam, and I'm back with another banging banger. Ngibuyile back at it nebanger enye. So namhlanje i i-topic nje engizobe ngikhuluma ngayo kakhulu esematheni abantu ukuthi why 90% of ama-beginners eluze imali kangaka kwi-forex markets. So ngizobe ngigxile kakhulu kuleyo nto, ngisho ukuthi ama-mistakes noma amaphutha amaningi abawenzayo ama-beginners imaphi and how how can they avoid leyo nto leyo yokuthi baluze imali kangaka. So angifuni ukuwaste isikhathi, ngilibele ngichaza kaningi, so ngizwa straight to the straight to the straight to the topic. So number one, most importantly, number one is that most of them, they don't have a trading plan. Abanayo trading plan. A trading plan is the most crucial part kwi-trading journey. It's very important ukuthi ube ne-crucial plan. Into eyenzakalayo ukuthi abaningi bavele bangene nje fethu kwi-market without ukuba nama-rules or ne-strategies thile abangakwazi ukuthi basebenzise. Manje uma ulibele ugxumagxuma uthola ukuthi manje uyangena uyaphuma and uyaholda, uyabo, like kuningi nje okusuke kwenzakala uma usaqala i-market. Obviously ngiya-understand usuke unganalo nje i-rule oyishoyo ukuthi okay manje it's enough, or right now ngenza u-1 no-2 ngiyaphuma, yabo lona. Ne-strategy-ke, once i-strategy wasithola, ungasebenzisi i-strategy ey'ningi, iba ne-strategy esisodwa and then ugxile kusona usimasterishe. Secondly, ilento yokuthi abantu bafake ama-emotions mebenza mebe-trade i-market. Yeka ama-emotions. Ama-emotions nje wathatha wabeka eceleni, wagqibe nje, wambele ithuni wagqibe, because ayalahlekisana. Wayeke ama-emotions ayalahlekisana. Lento yokuthi okay manje ngiyaholda, kanti uyaholda nti isiya-reject i-market. Nale ndaba yokuthi uhambe ubhekana nama-signal group, yiyekeni leyo nto guys, it's not good. Ama-signal group nje ayabheda ama-signal group, because abantu abaningi they intend ukuthi hi come and we'll give you i-signal u-end up lapho, because i-signal usuke ungazi, usuke uthatha le instruction osuke unikwe yona. So leyo part leyo is very bad, ngicela nje niyeke. Secondly, no risk management. Ilento yokuthi no risk management, imake ngcono ngilo ngibhalele la, no risk management. So lo number 2 wethu lo, no risk management ilento yokuthi uyi-trade iyodwa ungawufaka u-full margin uma unga-understand ukuthi ufakelani, yabo, uma uqala, because ungalandeli thina esesithi full margin ngoba naku thina we've been doing this thing for the longest. Siyenze lento isikhathi eside. Mina nje sengina 10 years to be specific ngiyenza lento. So ngiyazi ukuthi mangenza u-full margin ngisuke nguwenziswa yini u-full margin, uyabo. Wena ungathi ungena nje, yabo, nje kokuqala uma une-$10 account, $10 account wethu at least 0.02 i-lot size, uyabo. Gradually kancane kancane fethu uzogcina usuyi-understanda lento oyenzayo. Ungaveli uthi full margin lapha awuna-clue yokuthi kwenzakalani. Leyo nto le ayikho right. Nalento yokuthi ungabi ne-stop loss, fanele wenze sure ukuthi more risk, especially uma wenza ama-technicals, ube ne-stop loss mhlampe 1 to 5% of ilo yakho, especially manje MT5 kungcono, uyakwazi ukukukhalculate-ela, uyakwazi nje ukutshengisa ukuthi okay nayi amount ozoyiluza, nayi amount ekumele uyi-risk, uyayibona lona. So i-tip yami le ukuthi wenze njalo uyeke lento quick rich git scheme tontoni yekeni leyo nto yokuthi nje ucanga ukuthi uzovela ungene nje wenze imali. No, it's not good. So another mistake eniyenzayo, number 3, uku-overtrade. Yabo lento yoku-overtrade, it's bad, cause into eyenzakalayo ukuthi let's say manje uyangena kwi-trade uyalose because unama emotions, because you wanna make money, because une stress, yabo kuningi. Uzophinda ungene futhi mhlambe angithi uthe uyangena mhlawumbe wathi buy yavele yasela, uphinde ungene uthi sell kanti izophinda ibuy, uyabo lona. So leyo nto leyo it's very bad, it's very bad. Ngicela nje ningayilona ningayenzi lento yokuchase markets. Uyi-chase markets lo kulandela i-markets, wena nje ungayenzi leyo nto. Nalento yokuthi uyi-revenge i-markets ukuthi ngoba ingidlile fanele ngibuyele back, ngoba ingidlile fanele ngibuyele back. No, into ekufanele yenze iyodwa ukuthi landela ama-setup. Wena nje bheka i-setup, leyo setup leyo oyibonayo ukuthi it's a win setup, ungene kuyona. Mayingayirespectanga i-setup yakho fethu, phuma kwi-markets, phuma straight. And siye number 4, which is the most important part, ignoring i-psychology. Hlezi ke khulunywa ngalento kwi-markets, psychology ke bafethu indlela i-mentality yakhe esuke ngakhona. Number 1 ilento ade ngisho, ukuba greedy ne-fear. Yabo lento yokuba greedy, uthola ukuthi manje ngisho noma usuwinile uthi hayi let me hold hayi wathi ngihold iyanyuka. Hayi ayenziwa lonto. I-market ifuna ukuthi ungaba calm, yabo, ungabi angry, ungabi futhi ne-fear, lento yokuba fearful, because kuyenzeka-ke especially uma wenza ama-fundamental yokuthi ushawe uvalo because liyashayana phela uvalo, imali lesikhuluma ngayo, yabo, liyashayana uvalo. So kumele ube aware nalona. Nalento yokuthi mhlampe mawudliwe kwi-markets akufanele ukuthi leyo nto ik-affect ngalendlela ukuthi awusakwazi ukwenza ama-decisions for i-future, meaning ukuthi let's say ngiyadliwa namhlanje, obviously there are bad days, obviously there are good days, but leyo loss yanamhlanje akusho ukuthi next time mhlawumbe ngakusasa fanele ukuthi manje fanele manje ngibe naloko kusaba ukuthi ishi ngizophinde ngiluze futhi, yayibona lona, and angazi noma ngenze, yabona ugcina usungakwazi ukwenza ama-choices are-right for ama-trades akho, yabo. So kumele wenze sure ukuthi uyayimasterisha, because i-forex bafethi i-spiritual kakhulu. Kumele wenze sure ukuthi khona into eyenzayo, whether like you read, yabo, you have a life journey of reading, ukuthi nje wena you're a reader, wenzela ukuthi nje kube khona into ekuconsumayo ezokwenza ukuthi ube calm, or umuntu nje o-prayerful, like you pray, yabo, because iyadinga nakhona ukuthi uyingene nangaleyo ndlela, yabo, meditate nje, yabo, ube right nje, ube calm, umasterisha ama-emotions akho. That's very important. Number 5, yabo lento yokuthi wenza ama-back testing and unga-practice enough ukuthi we-understand nje, like for instance fanele ungayi kwi-live i-demo ungazange udlule kuyona, because abantu abaningi abathandi ukudlula kwi-demo, abathandi not practicing, ukuthi ngibhale la, about that. Abathandi abantu ukuthi ukuya kwi-demo bazama nje ukuthi nje bavele bangene straight kwi-live, kanti bafesi kuyasiza, just give yourself time. Lento ifana straight nje, angazi ngayifanisa nani. Ukubona ukuthi umuntu uma uyiqala ngisho noma iyiphi career, uma uyiqala usuke ungayazi kahle hle, as much as usuke une-interest yayo, but usuke ungayazi, but uyi-understanda kangcono or uyazi kangcono ma ukuthi uyenza on a daily basis, yabo, ugcina usugude kuyona, yabo, ugcina usukwazi ukuthi hayibo sengiyi-right, yabo, iyona-ke into edingakala kwi-market. It's like a training, iyi-training. Uyaqala engazuthi uyayitrainela ukuthi ugcine usuyazi, ugcine usuyimasterisha. So that is very important also. Nale ndaba ukuthi urelya kakhulu kuma-signals nama-indicators, bafethu mina awasebenzi bethu ama-signals nama-indicators. I-signal akubi wena, akubi wena. Indaba ama-indicator alibe clean i-sheet nje alibe clean, kungabi khona accept-ke lokho supports and resistant, lokho I can recommend, but lento yokuthi kube nemidwebo eminingi nani nani, hey, yabo leyo nto jwayele ungasebenzi. Number 6 ilento ukuthi nante esha abantu kaningi unrealistic unrealistic expectations. Yo, ave bashaya abantu lento. Yo, expectations. Yabo lento ave bashaya abantu. Lento ukuthi manje uyazi ukuthi yo uvela buka ama-million. Jesu moya ngcwele. Uvela buka ama-million umuntu. Once nje khuluma nge-market mhlawumbe watshengiswa umuntu oyi-pro ukuthi nali imali, yabo, nasi senze imali, umtshengisa mhlawumbe 100k, uvela azibone sewuwona mfethu 100k, kanti leyo nto akulula. I won't lie guys, ukufika kuleso stage akulula, fanele wehlise umoya, start small. Ibe ingane encane, cathi ungeke mfethu ingane na 6 months uyifuqa inyama, ngeke. Inyama yelo yenkomo ngeke uyifuqe, inyama yenkomo ngeke uyifuqe uphuthu, no, qala uyinike ubisi, yabo, qala uyinike ubisi. Izithi mayisithi 1 year iqale-ke lapho isibisi ishaya ukudla okucishe kuyele ngakuloko okuqinile, yayibona lona. Yabo, into ebalulekile nje mfethu engingayisho from that ukuthi kumele wenze sure ukuthi take your time, ube patient, and consistency is key in everything oyenzayo kwi-market. Consistency is key, yabo. And then from there on, the next thing, which is the last thing, the best way ukuthi yonke lento we understand, ngizonikeza ama-tip mina. Ufunda i-strategy esodwa, usimasterisha, uthatha i-demo, at least uzinikeze 3 to 6 months. Yayizwa leyo nto, 3 to 6 months ngiyayipractice lento le. Then emva lokho wenze sure ukuthi uyawenza ama-risk management, ube ne-trading plan great. Trading plan ingangokuthi mhlawumbe uyazi ukuthi from Monday to Friday at least mangishaya 200 rand, yabo, meaning usuku 200 rand, usuku 200 rand, uzozibona uzoya. Mase uyayibhala phansi indlela owenza ngayo, wenzela ukuthi urecord i-foundation yakho, yabo. Then mase ufunda kuma-losses akho. Once wa-understanda lokho, I promise you uzoba right. I promise you. These are the 6 things that ekufanele wenze sure ukuthi uzithatha into consideration. I promise you uzokwazi ukuthi ube right kwi-market. So if mawukuthi mhlambe kulama mistakes lawo kukhona onga-understandanga, nanokuthi-ke imaphi-ke ama-mistakes wena oftenly ojwayele ukwenza as a beginner. Make sure that you comment down below. Make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe. On the road to 5k guys, 5k subscribers. Make sure ukuthi na subscriber. It's your boy Team Moguls. Let's get it.